In this video, you'll learn how to deposit money into your Binance Fiat wallet. By following these steps, you will be able to transfer funds securely and efficiently into your account. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet option located in the top menu. Click on wallets and then select Fiat and spot from the drop-down options that appear. After accessing this section, you will see a deposit button. Click on deposit to proceed further. Upon clicking deposit, you will be prompted to choose between Fiat deposit and crypto deposit. A list of currencies will appear. Choose your preferred currency from this list. Depending on your country of residence, Binance will display available deposit methods. If no methods are shown, your region or account may not be eligible for fiat deposits. Next, you will need to select your deposit method. Options may include bank transfer, card deposit, or supported third-party providers. After selecting your preferred method, enter the amount you wish to deposit and follow the on-screen prompts. If you choose bank transfer, Binance will provide you with the necessary bank details and a reference code that must be included with your transaction. If you opt for card deposit, you will need to enter your card details and complete any verification steps required. Once you have entered the deposit amount and selected your method, carefully review any associated fees and the estimated processing time before confirming the transaction. After ensuring everything is correct, proceed to confirm the transaction. You may be required to complete additional security checks, such as entering a one-time password or using two-factor authentication. For bank transfers, it is crucial to send the funds using the exact bank details and include the provided reference code. If you opted for card deposits, wait for the approval process to complete. After the transaction is processed, check your Fiat wallet balance and review the deposit history to confirm that the funds have arrived. If the deposit fails, note any error messages and retry the process with the correct details. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.